Hey, I'm Dani from Loqbox, and this is 2-Minute Money. Welcome. If you're new here and you want to learn about how you can master your money, be sure to subscribe. Okay, I know that getting financially fit sounds difficult, but it's not. Like anything else in life, it's just a process that can be broken down into a handful of simple to follow steps, and those are what I'm going to be sharing with you today. So by the end of this video, you're going to have the perfect formula for getting financially fit. Ready? Let's go. Step 1, review your goals. What are your financial goals? Whether you want to get on the housing ladder, save for a holiday, buy a new car, or retire at 40, knowing what your goals are helps you to stay focused and motivated in achieving them. Goals give us a roadmap to follow and help us define what's really important to us in life. Step 2, take a financial health check to work out where you are now. Before you're able to work out a physical fitness plan, you need to understand how fit you are today. The same is true for your finances. So take some time to sit down and go through your incomings and outgoings. Step 3, plan your budget. For many people, the word budget instantly calls to mind something akin to a calorie-restricted diet, where it's all about limiting your spending and cutting back. But another way of looking at that is that budgeting is all about being intentional and deliberate with your money so that you can get what you want rather than accidentally spending it on all the things that you don't. No matter what your salary is, budgeting can help you to enjoy your money more. Step 4, save before spending. When asked what the secret behind their success is, people who are amazing at saving frequently cite transferring money into savings accounts via automated payments on payday as their top tip. As long as they choose an affordable sum to pay each month, they won't even notice the money is gone. To quote Warren Buffett, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." Step 5, build your credit score. Amazingly, 49% of adults have never checked their credit score, and this rises to 72% for young people aged 18 to 24. But having a good credit score is important because it can save you thousands of pounds on mortgages, loans, and credit cards. Step 6, use the right tools. Tools like Loqbox help you to build your credit score and learn about how the financial system works while you save for free. So whether you're just starting out, tackling financial challenges, or you have a dream in mind, Loqbox can help you to build financial fitness and achieve your goals. If you're ready to start building your financial fitness, find out more about how Loqbox can help you at loqbox.com. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.